first touch. As an earthquake. Now an opportunity here up that right sideline. There's the cross. Wondolowski! Oh, 1 minute in and already the captain getting a good look at goal.
Winning the ball, sending Tommy Thompson away. It's actually a good ball just over the top of Kamara, and maybe Wondolowski mistimed his jump a little bit, but wonderful work by Tommy Thompson on the right-hand side. First chance to the Earthquakes.
Bernier, the captain, giving it up. Wondolowski, Godoy in on Bush, the shot! Goal! San Jose!
First goal of the MLS season for the San Jose Earthquakes. Wonderful work by Godoy to close down the space, and then the captain saw the opportunity to put into the space for Anibal Godoy. What a sweet chip that is. First touch with that sweet left foot over the head of Evan Bush.
Back heel. Thompson, Urania, and now back to Sean Francis. Closing in on the end of the first half. Urania getting in deep. The shot! Oh, wide! He's got some help. He's got Dawkins and Wondolowski looking to turn the corner. There's the cross! And a step slow. Freeing up Sean Francis. He's got Dawkins and Wondolowski, but couldn't get the lift under it. So Nick Lima takes a shot. And line was over the crossbar and into the crowd. They'll take what Montreal gives them. Thompson, Lima. Early ball in. Wondolowski was waiting. Drops it off for Thompson. Thompson, shot! Bush was there, and Urania was definitely lurking. Kamara, whistle, and yellow turns to red. In minute 66, Kamara was on a yellow from the end of the first half and has just sealed his fate for the remainder of the match.
Good work by Godoy again. Good tenacity to get there before. And it's a clear foul, and it's a yellow card foul as well, in my opinion, on its own merit.
And you might see a little more of a desperate Montreal Impact side here, playing to get a point on the road. There may be more here, but forward for Husin. Husin, Salinas, can he get there? Oh, wide! Bielo and Kinnear have called on everyone they're going to call on here. Husin. And now Hika. He's got Husin and Wondolowski. Wondo!
Fans here at Avaya really appreciate the effort and the professional performance that the Earthquakes will put in tonight against a good opponent. It's been a good display, I think. The first half was better than the second as far as the performance was concerned, but that's a big 3 points for the Quakes.
And as the wind and rain starts to whip up here at Avaya Stadium, Baldomero Toledo signals the end of this match on opening night 2017. The Earthquakes have the 1-0 victory.